In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Yahoo Mail in laptop. By the end, you'll have Yahoo Mail running as a desktop-style app you can launch from your taskbar, giving you fast, clutter-free access to your inbox. First, open your web browser on your laptop. Using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge works best here because they support installing sites as apps. In the address bar, type Yahoo Mail and press Enter. On the results page, click the official Yahoo Mail link, look for mailyahoo.com, to make sure you're heading to the right place. Once the page loads, sign into your Yahoo account. Confirm you're on a secure page by checking for the lock icon and the HTTPS in the address bar. Enter your sign-in details and complete any verification prompts. When your inbox opens and everything looks normal, you're ready to turn it into an app for quick access. Now, move your cursor to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens a list of tools and options that control how the browser behaves. In that menu, look for the section labeled Save and Share. On some versions, it may be listed as Cast, Save, and Share. Select Install Yahoo as an app. If you don't see it immediately, make sure the Yahoo Mail tab is active and the page has fully loaded, then open the menu again. This option packages the current site into a lightweight app that runs in its own window, separate from your regular browser tabs. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Install. In a moment, Yahoo Mail will pop open in its own window with a clean title bar and its own icon. To keep it within easy reach, pin it to your taskbar. Look for the new Yahoo Mail icon that just appeared, either on your taskbar, Start menu, or App List. Right-click it and choose Pin to Taskbar. From now on, you can launch your inbox with a single click, without digging through browser tabs. A quick note for clarity: this method doesn't download all your emails onto your hard drive. It creates a progressive web app experience that uses your browser under the hood. Your data stays in your account, and the interface updates automatically just like the website. If the menu wording differs slightly on your device, don't worry. Browsers update labels from time to time, but the Install as App option will be in that same Save and Share area. That's it. You've successfully added Yahoo Mail to your laptop like a desktop app and pinned it for instant access. Enjoy the faster, cleaner workflow.